welcome to another Goliath guitar tutorial. My name is Gareth Evans and today I'm teaching you a song called Payphone, originally by Maroon 5, but this was arranged on the guitar by Sung Ha Jung. The reason I'm doing this tutorial is because I asked you on Facebook which tutorial would you like me to do of Sung Ha Jung's next, and this was the overwhelming victor of that vote, so that's why I'm going to do it. If you guys want to get involved in the voting over at Facebook, there'll be a link in the description for you to check out my Facebook page, and you can vote for all sorts of tutorials I'm doing these days. So I'm going to teach you now Sung Ha Jung. I've got tabs which I wrote for this tutorial. I didn't exactly write them all. I just I found a set of tabs and I've adapted them to how I kind of see the song played. If you want the tabs, click on the link in the top of the description of this video and it'll take you to the page on my website where you can download the tabs and have them alongside you, or work your way through the tabs if you want to use the tabs rather than the tutorial. It's up to you. But also, while you're on the website, do check out my other Sung Ha Jung tutorials. I've done 5, 6, 7, 8 probably Sung Ha Jung tutorials before now, and also some of my current subscribers, probably some of them don't know, some of you guys don't know that I've got a lot of Sung Ha Jung tutorials already. I get asked almost on a daily basis for a tutorial which I've already produced. For instance, the other day somebody asked me to do Pirates of the Caribbean, already done that one. Somebody asked me River Flows in You a few days ago, I've already done that one. Go and check them out on the website. It's always the best place to look at my tutorials because some of the parts for some of the tutorials are exclusive to my website and you won't find them here on YouTube, so look as you might. I do get that a lot of times too. Where's part 5 to such and such? Where's part 6 to this song? On my website is the answer. Okay, so enough talking. I'm going to show you now the tuning of this guitar. It's tuned to an open D tuning, so it's D, A, D, F sharp, A, D from 6th to 1st string. So if you put your capo on the 2nd fret, because we need a capo on the 2nd fret for this song, then I'll play my strings in order so that you can tune into my guitar, and then I'll get on with the tutorial. Okay, so the intro. Okay, that's what I'm going to teach you now. So you start off on the 4th fret of the 2nd string. Your ring finger is probably the best to use. So you play the 2nd string, play the 1st string and hammer up to that 2nd fret on the 1st string. So 2, 1, hammer up to 2nd fret. What you do now is move up to the 9th fret on both the 1st and 2nd string and play 1 and 2. So it's then you play 6, 3, and then down to the 7th fret on the 1st string, leaving the 9th fret fretted on the 2nd, you play 2 and 1 together. Okay? Next, what I like to do is I bar the 1st and 2nd string on that 7th fret. You play the 1st string on the 7th fret, you then go up to the 11th fret on the 2nd string and pull off to the 7th fret, and then open 2nd. Sorry, open 1st. So we've got Okay, what you do now is you come to the 2nd fret on the 4th string. Okay, and you carry on a bit like that. So it's 2nd fret on the 4th string, you play open 5th, and then 4, and then open 1st and 2nd. Okay? And then you add the 4th fret on the 2nd string, 3rd fret on the 3rd string. It's actually easier if you add your little finger to the 4th fret on the 2nd string and your middle finger to the 3rd fret on the 3rd string, because in just a sec we have to fret the 4th fret on the 6th string, which if you've got your ring finger free, it's easier to do that way rather than repositioning your fingers at a later date. So just trust me for now. So you add these 2 fingers here like I've just described, and then you play open 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and then 1st again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1. So it's okay, so what we've got from here, and then like I said earlier, 4th fret on the 6th string. You can lift your index finger now if you like. You can even lift your middle finger because you're not playing that on the 3rd fret. You're playing okay. You play 6, 2, 4, 2 again down to the 2nd fret. And then open 2nd and 3rd, and then up to the 2nd fret on the 2nd string. Play it once and hammer up to the 4th fret, and then lift off again and play it again. So it's so we've got and all together. Okay, after that you play 2nd fret on the 6th, 2nd fret on the 4th, and then 3rd as well. And then what you do then is from the start. Okay, so you play that twice, and the second time, rather than coming back in again to that bit, you just play the 2nd string open twice, and then it goes into that bit, which I'll teach you later on. Okay, so let's just consolidate what we've just learned. Let's play all the intro all the way through from the start. Okay, so that'll do it for this tutorial. If you want to go now to part 2, the best place to check it out, like I mentioned earlier, the link in the top of the description of this video will take you to the page with all the remaining parts for this tutorial. You'll have to see them on one page. But also, if some of the tutorials might not be released to YouTube yet, sometimes I release them to my website first, check it out there. Before you go, if this tutorial has helped you at all, please click the thumbs up button. It helps me a lot and it promotes my videos, and it lets me know that you are appreciating the Sung Ha Jung tutorials, which makes me make more in future. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next installment, and bye for now.